Hi, I'm Morris Carey. I'm one of the brothers that's associated with On the House with the Carey Brothers, a media franchise that's on the radio, television, magazines, newspapers, all over this great, wonderful country of ours. And I'm standing in our laundry. And you know, I love to do home improvements and remodels as well as the next person. And I've added a home improvement to my laundry that I think is going to surprise you. Come look at this one. This is my laundry towel warmer. And you don't see any towels on it. That's because my wife has decided to use it for her lingerie and her delicates. And it's absolutely phenomenal. All she has to do is hang what she wants to dry, come over here, turn the switch on. The towel warmer comes to temperature, dries her delicates, and when she's done, turn the switch back off again and wait till next time. Now I'm going to show you how we install this and how easy it is to do. 4 mollies are used to install each of 4 mounts. It is so easy to install this Amba towel warmer. After the mounts are installed, spacer tubes are screwed into place, allowing the towel warmer to be located away from the wall. The tubes are adjustable, allowing for an irregular wall surface. Once the tubes are in place and the electric connection is set up, it's time to mount the towel warmer. Mounting the towel warmer is a breeze, even for a guy my age. All I had to do was line the posts on the back of the towel warmer with the mounting tubes on the wall. This took all of about 15 seconds. Once the posts on the towel warmer are firmly placed into the wall mounting tubes, all it takes is a small Allen wrench to lock all 4 locations in place. Thank you, Amba. The last step is to connect and mount the electrical connection and set the desired heating level. Next, it's off to the master bath to finish up that unit. This towel warmer is polished chrome instead of white to match the finishes in our bathroom. Towel warmers aren't only functional, they are attractive as well. Thank you again, Amba. This towel warmer mounted in exactly the same way as our laundry unit. 4 mollies, 4 spacers, and 4 Allen screws. All we have to do to finish is to tighten the screws at the electrical connection. Since we always take our showers at about the same time each morning, we decided to connect this towel warmer to a digital timer. Our towel warmer turns on and off automatically each day at the time we preset. How convenient is that? Thank you, Amba.